So this video is for the installation of the front and rear side molding on a Lexus NX300 2021, and it's a relatively simple job. You need a flexible tape measure to measure the position of the moldings. You need some alcohol to wipe down the area where you want to stick the molding to, and you need some masking tape. I'm using blue painter masking tape to mark the position as to where I want to install the molding. So the molding, they have a left and a right side to it, so you order the parts and then make sure you separate the molding for the left and right side of the car before you start doing your installation. I'll give you all the measurements towards the end of the video. Just make sure when you install the front and the rear molding, you don't butt the edge flush against the door. You have to leave about 1/4 of an inch space for the front and the rear, so you have room for your door to open. Otherwise, the front and the rear molding might cause the door not to be able to open fully. So once you determine where your molding should go, you turn it over and you remove the backing to the double-sided tape. The bottom one you peel down and the upper one you peel up, and then you can start peeling them.
Pull here, over here, remove this and pull, and then now you press the whole thing in. Yeah.